Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to claim your digital badge. To begin, we would like to congratulate you on obtaining your digital badge or certificate here at City Tech. You should have received an email from Open Badge Factory that provides you with information on the badge or certificate that you have obtained. Below the email, you will see a blue button that says, Get your digital certificate. Click on it to begin the process of claiming your badge. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact the Academic Technologies and Online Learning (AtoL) department at atol@citytech.cuny.edu. Clicking on the button will open a web page in your default browser. It will display your badge and provide options to share it on multiple social media platforms, such as your LinkedIn account. To add your badge to your LinkedIn account, simply click on the LinkedIn button and follow the steps provided in the pop-up window to add to profile or share to feed. Additionally, you can also print out your certificate from this page by clicking on the PDF link below with the name of the certificate to download it and print it from your device. To add your badge to your email signature, we will need to begin by saving the badge to our device. Right-click on the badge and select Save Image As and choose a location to download it to. Once downloaded, navigate to your email account settings. For this example, we will be using Microsoft Outlook. From our settings window, we will search for email signature to bring up our options. From the email signature option, we can create a new signature by clicking on the plus button that says New Signature or simply add the badge to our existing one. For this example, we will just add it to our existing one. Place your cursor where you would like to add your badge and click on the three dots in the text editor toolbar and select Pictures, then select Pictures from File. Navigate to the file location where you downloaded the badge, select it, and click Insert. This should insert your badge into the area you selected previously. You can adjust the size of the badge you inserted by clicking and dragging the anchor points around the image inward to your desired size. Once finished, click on the Save icon at the top left of the window to save your changes. To test out what we have done, create a new email and scroll down to see if the badge is now visible in your signature. Thanks for watching, and be sure to view our other helpful tutorial videos on our YouTube channel.